Hi guys, and welcome to the Middle Room Workshop. Today we are going to unbox a Windows 10 Home license package. Without further ado, let's get into it. So it's not every day that you can unbox a Windows operative system, at least not in this era. Because today you can do basically everything online. You can purchase your license, you will receive the key over the email, you will then download the system, you will boot it you will burn it into a thumb drive, then you can stick it into your machine and you're good to go. You can boot it up and you can install it. But in rare cases like this one, I prefer to buy an actual physical Windows 10 Home with a box. So let's see how it looks in the inside. So the box is simple. It's minimalistic. I mean, you won't find a CD room like it used to be back in the time. Um, Here are some of the authenticity stuff that you can look at when you're purchasing one of these to ensure that it's actually authentic. This was actually wrapped into some shrink package, which I have already removed. So that's basically new. All right. So we got some of their fancy stuff in there. All right. That's where your license key it's stored. And then there you go. You can unfold this whole thing. And that's where your ready thumb drive is located. There you go. It's a small, cute thumb drive. It's very interesting. Anything else on the box? No, that looks. Oh, no, right. We got some additional documentation, product guide, which we don't need, I believe. And that's pretty much all. Alright guys, I'll leave you with this beautiful picture of the home screen of Windows 10 operative system. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, click the thumb up button below. And I'll see you next time. Ciao for now.